Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is October 18, 2023, Wednesday, option expiry for BankNifty. First the levels, then the power of technical analysis. FinNifty closed at 19,687.20, 1.28% down. BankNifty closed at 43,888.70, 1.17% down. Nifty closed 19,671.10, 0.7% down. So, power of technical analysis. Yesterday, what did we say? We said that for BankNifty, the September 21st gap that it got created, it's very difficult to fill the gap that easily, right? So that will act as a resistance, which was at 45,276.80, way above. Likewise, we said that whatever happens, Bollinger Middle Band, lower band will act as a support at least for this expiry. Anyway, we at some point in time it has to break. That we have maintained for quite some time, because the trend is, it is on a channel, in a channel it is going down. Okay, so that level was, yesterday it was 43,599. So today where it closed, 43,888.70. In fact, the low also never went below 43,800. That means you can see the power of technical analysis. So technical analysis, particularly the Bollinger Bands and candlesticks combined with the Fibonacci series, is a very powerful combination. Our company Fibocan, our training programs are designed using these three methodologies, right? Anyway, we'll go into the discussion part of it. So BankNifty and Nifty and FinNifty, everything opened a gap down. FinNifty and BankNifty got a severe punishment from the bears, and they formed a solid, very big red candle, which is reflected in the percentage of fall, right? 1.28% for FinNifty and 1.17% for BankNifty. So it formed a solid red candle and now threatening to go all the way down towards the Bollinger lower band and breaking below. What will happen now? In the case of Nifty also, it formed a solid red candle. It just slightly below the Bollinger Middle Band, while BankNifty and FinNifty are significantly below the Bollinger lower band and just about striking distance from the Bollinger lower band. So what is happening? The trend is clear, and now with this fall, today's fall, the bands are coming very close. The upper band is coming down, the lower band is slightly going up, the middle band is coming down. That means what is happening? The band squeeze is going to happen. What is band squeeze? From now, the next few days, if there is some semblance happening in the global markets and the global political environment, market will go in a probably a sideways. If there is a serenity, calmness in the market, global markets, particularly the political environment. If that happens, at some stage, the band will go in parallel and that we call it as a band squeeze, after which there will be a significant breakout. The breakout can be in the upward or in the downward direction, but if this trend continues, the breakout is going to be in the downward direction. Hence, Nifty has to urgently do something in the next few days. Instead of going down, it can probably, or just a panic selling. If it comes, immediately it can reverse. That is how it happens. So anyway, we have to wait and watch, but the trend is clearly on a downward trend because key levels have been taken out decisively. In fact, in the monthly chart also, Nifty has taken out the 5-month exponential moving average. That's not a good sign. While Nifty is still holding, Nifty is below all the averages you can think of in the daily and weekly. So excepting monthly, there is no difference that is available. And now it is below the Fibonacci 61.8 levels, near the Fibonacci 100 levels. The next level is Fibonacci 161.8, which is way below. That is dangerous. So with that background, let's go into the analysis. Banks, it is a terrible day for banks. Nothing went up. Everything went down excepting AU and Yes Bank, which remained sideways. Otherwise, Axis, Bandhan, Federal, HDFC, ICICI, IDFC, Indus, Kotak, SBI all fell 1%. Financials had a terrible day again. L&T Finance, LIC Housing Finance, M&M Finance, Manappuram and Shriram 1% down. Bajaj Finserv and Jio 2% down. Bajaj Finance 3% down. So many people say, oh, results is excellent, great and all this. That is okay. That's okay. Market has already given that, right? How many times you will be rewarded for the same thing? Market has already rewarded and it was at such a high level. 23% up in the calendar year 2023. Obviously, the headroom available to go up is limited. Hence, it has fallen. Bajaj Finserv, the fall is not that much. It fell 2%, while Bajaj Finance fell 3% because it went up significantly. Insurance and cards, SBI cards 1% down. LIC, ICICI proved 2% down. Oil and telecom, Reliance 1% down. In the IT, Apple, Birlasoft, SCL Tech, LTIM, LTIM, Mphasis, TCS, Techem, Wipro 1% down. Coforge and Intellect, Coforge 1% up, Intellect 3% up. LTTS had a very big fall of 5%. So if you see here today, no sector performed. That's why you had such a significant fall overall. Reliance also fell. That's why Nifty also fell. The consumer goods, Asian Paints, Coalpal, DMart, Pidilite, Trent, Titan 1% down. Page 2% down. PVR was the sole winner by moving up by 1%. Automobiles also a down day. Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, Escorts, Hero Motors and TVS Motor 1% down. Tata Motors 2% up. Metals, Jindal, JSW, National Aluminium, NMDC and SAIL 1% down. Others remained sideways. Health and Pharma, Apollo Hospital, Metropolis 1% down, Lalpa 2% down, Sun Pharma 1% up, Dr. Reddy's 2% up, Cipla 3% up. In the others category, L&T, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, APL Apollo, Delta Corp, India Mart, Indigo, IRCT, Jubilant Food, UPL all down 1%. Polycab posted the results down 2% because it has run up significantly. I have been cautioning it has run up too much. Hence, new entrants should be extremely careful with Polycab because the risk to return ratio is tremendously staked against a new entrant at the new bulls at this point in time. Havells fell 3%. Nykaa up 1%. With all these things, what do you expect for option expiry for Nifty tomorrow? What will be the range, support and resistance that it can operate, the broad range? The Bollinger upper band in the daily chart, which is at 19903, that will act as a very good resistance because it's very difficult to cross the Bollinger upper band from here on, unless otherwise something overnight dramatic news happens, right? Hamas ends the war and there is some peace, immediate peace, and the brotherlyhood happens immediately. Normally such things, positive news, world takes a lot of time. Negative news, it comes spontaneously. So such things, where we are going to see global brotherlyhood and all those things. So hence no, it's very difficult. If it happens, I'll be very happy. On the downward level, 100-day moving average, which is at 19,381, that will act as a very good support. This 100-day moving average has gone below the Bollinger lower band, which means the Bollinger lower band has gone above this. So above Bollinger lower band, below which is the 100-day moving average, which is at 19,381. Thank you very much.